Want to use powerful AI coding models like DeepSeek V4 and GLM 5.2 inside VS Code? Completely free, with no API key and no subscription? In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you the exact method using a free Cline extension. Let's get started. By the end of this video, you'll know how to install Cline, unlock free access to powerful AI models like DeepSeek, and generate complete working projects from a single sentence. First, open your browser and go to Cline website. Create a free Cline account. Use any login method you like. Next, open VS Code, go to Extensions, search for Cline, and install the official extension. Once installed, you'll see the Cline icon on the left sidebar. Click the Cline icon, go to the Profile section, and choose Sign Up with Cline. A browser window will open. Just authorize the account. Come back to VS Code and allow the extension to connect. You'll now see your balance. Important, this balance never goes down. These models are truly free forever. Here at the bottom, you can choose Plan mode if you want the AI to think first, or choose Act mode if you want it to start coding immediately. I am choosing the Act mode for immediate coding. Also make sure you give it permission to read and edit files in your project. Now look at the free model list. You'll see GLM 5.2, DeepSeek V4 Flash, and a few other free models. Let's test it. I'm selecting DeepSeek V4 Flash and giving a simple prompt. Create a modern SaaS landing page with a pricing section and a contact form. Watch what happens. The AI creates the files, writes clean code, and within a minute, we have a complete working page. Now I'll switch to GLM 5.2 and ask it to create a basket catch game in another prompt. In about 90 seconds, it generates nearly 600 lines of code. And the game actually works. A few important points. You don't need any API key. Your balance stays at 0 no matter how much you use. The AI can create and edit real files in your project, and you can switch between models anytime. That's it. You now have free access to GLM 5.2 and DeepSeek V4 Flash inside VS Code using Cline. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more free AI coding tools. Drop a comment if you want the next video on advanced Cline tips. See you in the next one.